Alright, today we've got the SCCY CPX-2 9mm, and we're going to field strip it down for cleaning. Alright, so I've already cleared it, no magazine, nothing in the chamber. I've already got it locked back, so we're going to leave it locked back. We're going to take our little pry tool and we're going to pry this little piece right here out. And we're going to pull it all the way out. It's your little pin right here. Alright, now we're going to drop the slide. Off it goes. The frame now is ready to clean. Don't do anything else to this one. Alright, so the slide, we're going to push the spring forward. Here's your spring. You've got the smaller part here. And you've got the larger part. This goes to the rear. And this goes toward the front. And then the barrel, we're going to slide it forward. Slide it out. And this is ready for cleaning. This is as far as you need to go to do the cleaning. And now we're going to put it back together. Alright, so to put it back together, we're going to take the slide. We're going to take the barrel and slide it in. Make sure it locks in just like that. Now the spring, again, the little end right here goes forward. This part right here seats into that little groove, that little notch. So we're going to push this forward just to seat in that notch, just like that. Alright, now we're going to put this back, and if you can see right in there, this is where this pin has got to slide through in the through the frame right here. Now we're going to take these little grooves back here, see those grooves, and we're going to set them on the rail. So we're going to set it just like that. We're going to slide it back and lock it. Now we've got to make sure. Alright, let's see. You see that right there? This is not correct. This is not correct. You have to actually get it hooked in to the barrel right there. So now we're going to take your pin, push it in. You're going to have to wiggle it a little bit. Drop the slide forward. Rack it a few times. And that's it. The SCCY CPX-2 is put back together and ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.